Shut up, that cat. Shut up, that cat.
Right. Have you got all that out of you? Have you? Don't even say it. Have you got all that badness out of you, that devil? I hope you've said it enough times there now, because you better not be saying it again. I'm going to super glue your beak. Do you hear me? I'm going to super glue your beak. Shut. Told you. No. Shit. I'm going to learn you're not allowed to say this. Do you hear me? Ah, that's better. Oh, that's a lovely wee sound you're doing. That's lovely. Ah! You do.
Shut up.
That.
Shut that cat. Shut up, that cat.
What am I going to do? You can laugh all you want, but I'm telling you now, you'll not be in my bed tonight. You'll be in this living room.